Once upon a time, there was a beautiful girl named Cinderella. She had a stepmother and two stepsisters who were very cruel to her.
Cinderella, did you clean the kitchen?
Indeed, I did.
Cinderella, did you polish my shoes?
Sure, the black ones are done, as you asked.
And did you iron my clothes?
Of course, even folded and are kept in the closet.
And what about the breakfast?
Well, breakfast is ready. Just bringing them up.
Cinderella, don't start the drama. Clean the clothes immediately.
The Evangelist stepsisters made Cinderella do all the hard work.
This is from Royal Highness.
Oh, is it? Thank you. Stepsisters, a letter from the royal palace has arrived.
Give it to me. I want to open it. It must be for me.
No, I want to open it. It is for me, from my beloved prince.
Look, we are invited to the Prince Ball at the Royal Palace. We are so beautiful to get noticed by our prince, unlike someone.
I do wish to go to the ball party tonight.
After the evil stepsisters had left, suddenly a fairy appeared.
Oh glory, what wonder it is! Who are you?
I am your fairy godmother, my beautiful Cinderella. What happened, my love?
I wish to go to the ball tonight, but I don't have a dress and no way to go.
I'm here to help you to go to the ball.
The fairy godmother turned a pumpkin into an amazing coach and some mice into horses.
Wow, what a lovely coach and handsome horses. Are these for me?
Yes, my dear.
But I need a dress. I could not show up looking like this.
You are ready now, my dear. Have fun tonight, but be back by midnight or else.
Wow, how glamorous and elegant this dress is. Okay, fairy godmother, thank you.
That beautiful princess. I have never seen such a beautiful woman in my whole life.
Oh no, The prince is going to dance with her?
This is not fair. He was meant to dance with me.
Would you like to dance with me?
Oh yes, Your Highness. I would be honored.
Danced every dance with her. Suddenly, the clock began to strike 12.
It is midnight. I must go now. Thank you for the dance. I will miss you, my beloved prince. Farewell.
Please stay. Listen, listen. At least tell me your name, or from where have you come? How I am going to find you?
Cinderella did not answer and ran toward the coach, but she lost one of her stilettos on the way. Then the coach and horses disappeared. Cinderella's beautiful dress turned back to rags.
Full dress and my sparkling stilettos. Where are they? Was it all a dream? Well, such a beautiful dream it was.
The next day, the prince set out to find Cinderella again.
I want every girl in this kingdom to try on this lost stilettos. I must find my princess.
But the stilettos did not fit anyone. The prince then arrived at Cinderella's house.
Cinderella, go and open the door. Good morning, Your Highness. I'm so happy that you found my stilettos.
No, it is my stilettos. I am the princess you are looking for.
The mean stepsisters tried to fit into the slipper.
Let me try first.
No, your feet are much too big to fit. It is mine. Give it to me.
Their feet were much too big. Then the prince saw Cinderella.
Let this girl try.
She didn't go to the ball. How could she fit into it?
The slipper won't fit her. She's our maid.
Cinderella sat down and tried on the stilettos.
It fits to her.
Oh yes, it fits.
You are the one I have been looking for. What is your name, my dear lady?
My name is Cinderella.
The prince had found his princess and they lived happily ever